With introduction of the facelifted T-Roc, Volkswagen immediately revealed the T-Roc Cabriolet as well. It has a 3-layer fabric soft top that can be opened in under 9 seconds. It is a very unique vehicle as roofless SUVs are not a common thing these days. The open top 4-seater is available in Style and R-Line equipment lines, and here you can see the R-Line version with sporty appearance. Customers can choose between 1-liter TSI petrol engine producing 110 horsepower or 1.5-liter TSI with 150 horsepower. At the end of this week, this model is available to order and will be in the dealerships in spring 2022. Entry price for this open-top version is €31,850 with style package and 1-liter TSI. Tell me in the comments how do you like it.